This is the Vintage Coach Canteen waist pouch, style number 0515 in the color black, in the size extra small to small, and I would estimate it was likely made in the 1990s and it was made in the US. So as you can see, this is a fanny pack or waist pack. Like I mentioned, it's in the size small, extra small to small. It does have the size stamped here. I'll show you right here, stamped. So this is a great little fanny pack if you're looking for that style of bag. It comes with an adjustable strap, so you could adjust the strap like so. It's got this little extender here on the sides, so this would be on the shortest setting, and then it's also got an adjustable buckle strap right here, so it's got those two ways that you could adjust the length of the strap. And then it's also got two zip compartments here, so it's got this main zip compartment. So here's what the interior looks like in the main compartment, and it is lined, and it's got the Coach Creed inside. Hopefully you can see that well. If not, here's a close-up photo so you can see the Creed a little bit better. And then it's also got this other zip compartment or zip pocket in the back. So you got this little pocket here, which is nice because I feel like this pocket would be pretty easy to get into and zip up or zip closed when you're wearing the bag. So anyway, that is the Canteen waist pouch, style 0515. This is a great little style. We usually sell out of them pretty quickly when we do get them in the store. So if anybody was interested in checking it out further, the link to it will be below in our online store, so you can check it out. But otherwise, thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you next time.